We can call them friends, we can call them on our telephones, and we won't pretend that they're too busy or alone. And if we can call them friends, we can call them, holler at them down in these hallowed halls. But we can't let the human factor fail to be a factor at all. Starting to get warm in here, and things they're starting to get strange. Oh, and did you see how all our friends were there? Yeah, they're drinking red roses from the can. We're gonna meet someday in the crumbled financial institutions of this land. There's gonna be tables and chairs and parades and dancing bears. You know, there's gonna be a band. Yeah, that's right. Just an after the fall, there'll be no more countries, no currencies at all. We're gonna live on the Ritz. We're gonna throw away survival kits, straight butterfly mountains for Adderall, and that's not all. Whoa! Mistakes, they will. Yeah, there's gonna be mistakes. You know, there's gonna be, yes, there's gonna be lots of party atmosphere.